Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 8 beginner-friendly herbs. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Number 1. Basil. Basil is one of the most popular culinary herbs, treasured for centuries in Mediterranean and Asian cuisines. Known as the king of herbs, basil has a long history in cooking, medicine, and even spiritual traditions. Basil grows as a tender annual with smooth, fragrant leaves in shades of green or purple, depending on the variety. It produces small white or purple flowers, though gardeners often pinch these off to encourage more leafy growth. Basil grows quickly, responds well to pruning, and gives you an almost endless supply of leaves through the season. Even if you've never grown anything before, basil can thrive in a sunny pot on your windowsill. Hair tips: plant in warm weather. It hates cold. Water regularly, but avoid soggy soil. Pinch off flower buds to keep leaves coming. Harvest frequently for fresh growth. Number 2. Mint. Mint has been used since ancient times for culinary, medicinal, and aromatic purposes. It's a symbol of hospitality in many cultures and remains a household favorite for teas, drinks, and desserts. Mint is a perennial herb with square stems, bright green leaves, and a refreshing aroma. Some varieties produce lilac or white flower spikes in summer. Mint is incredibly hardy. It spreads rapidly, so even if you neglect it, chances are it will survive. Beginners love mint because it forgives inconsistent watering and grows back quickly after harvest. Care tips: best grown in containers to control spreading. Keep soil consistently moist. Snip leaves often to encourage bushier growth. Protect from extreme heat with partial shade. Number 3. Parsley. Parsley has been cultivated for more than 2,000 years, originally used as medicine before becoming a culinary staple. Today, it's a garnish and flavor booster in cuisines worldwide. Parsley is a biennial herb with bright green divided leaves. Varieties include flatleaf, Italian, and curly leaf parsley. It sends up small yellow-green flowers in its second year. Parsley tolerates a wide range of growing conditions, making it easy to grow both indoors and outdoors. Its slow germination might test your patience, but once it sprouts, it's low maintenance. Care tips: plant in spring for best results. Keep soil evenly moist. Harvest leaves from the outer edges first. Mulch to keep roots cool in hot weather. Number 4. Chives. Chives are one of the oldest known culinary herbs, cultivated in Europe and Asia for thousands of years. They're prized for their mild, onion-like flavor. Chives are perennials with thin, tubular leaves and globe-shaped purple flowers. Both the leaves and flowers are edible. Chives are extremely low maintenance. They tolerate neglect, survive winter, and come back year after year. They also repel certain pests, making them helpful companions in the garden. Care tips: plant in clumps for best effect. Water moderately. Avoid soggy soil. Cut leaves close to the base to harvest. Divide plants every few years to maintain vigor. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a Mediterranean native historically linked with memory and used in both food and medicine. Its piney aroma makes it one of the most recognizable herbs. It's an evergreen shrub with needle-like leaves and small blue flowers. In warmer climates, it can grow into a large, woody bush. Rosemary is drought-tolerant and thrives on neglect. It prefers dry conditions, making it perfect for beginners who forget to water. Care tips: needs lots of sun and good airflow. Allow soil to dry between watering. Prune regularly to prevent woodiness. Bring indoors in cold climates. Number 6. Thyme. Thyme has been valued since ancient Greece, often used for culinary, medicinal, and even ritual purposes. It's famous for its savory, earthy flavor. A woody perennial with tiny aromatic leaves and small purple or pink flowers. Creeping thyme varieties can also form ground covers. Thyme is hardy and drought-resistant. Once established, it needs very little maintenance and can survive in poor soils where other herbs might fail. Care tips: prefer sunny, dry spots. Water sparingly. Thyme dislikes wet feet. Trim lightly to keep it bushy. Avoid heavy fertilization. Number 7. Oregano. Oregano is another Mediterranean herb, beloved in Italian and Greek cooking. Historically, it symbolized joy and was used as medicine. Oregano is a perennial with oval aromatic leaves and small purple or white flowers. It forms low-growing mounds. Oregano is rugged and thrives with minimal care. It's drought-tolerant and spreads easily, so even beginners will have a plentiful harvest. Care tips: plant in well-drained soil with plenty of sun. Water only when soil feels dry. Harvest leaves often for best flavor. Divide every few years to refresh the plant. Number 8. Cilantro, coriander. Cilantro is an herb with dual purpose. The leaves are used fresh, while the seeds, coriander, are a spice. It's been cultivated for thousands of years across Asia and the Mediterranean. Cilantro has delicate, lacy leaves and small white flowers that turn into coriander seeds. It grows quickly but tends to bolt in hot weather. It germinates quickly and grows fast, so beginners get the satisfaction of harvesting within weeks. It's versatile in the kitchen, especially in salsa, curries, and soups. Care tips: best grown in cooler weather. Water consistently to prevent bolting. Harvest frequently to extend the season. Allow some plants to flower if you want coriander seeds. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best beginner-friendly herbs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!